Today I am reviewing the MSI MAG 273QP QD-OLED X24 gaming monitor. If at any time you'd like to explore this gaming monitor for yourself, be sure to check the link in the description. If you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who appreciates high-end display technology, the MSI MAG 273QP QD-OLED X24 deserves your full attention. This 27-inch QHD gaming monitor doesn't just compete. It leads thanks to a combination of next-gen OLED innovation, lightning-fast response time, and visual clarity that's nothing short of jaw-dropping. Let's start with what makes this monitor truly stand out: the third-generation QD-OLED panel. MSI has taken display technology to the next level, combining quantum dot color accuracy with OLED's deep contrast and perfect blacks. The result? A visual experience that's vivid, immersive, and deeply satisfying whether you're gaming, watching videos, or editing high-resolution content. The monitor boasts a resolution of 2560 by 1440, also known as QHD. This resolution is the current sweet spot for gamers, sharper than 1080p, but not as performance-demanding as 4K. It allows for crisp details, smooth gameplay, and a high frame rate experience. Paired with a 240Hz refresh rate, you're getting one of the fastest displays available today. What's more impressive is the ultra-low 0.03 millisecond response time. That's nearly instantaneous. This means ghosting, motion blur, and lag are virtually non-existent. Fast-paced titles like Apex Legends, Valorant, and Call of Duty feel incredibly fluid, helping you stay competitive in every match. To enhance this experience further, the MSI MAG 273QP supports adaptive sync technology, which eliminates screen tearing and stuttering by dynamically adjusting the monitor's refresh rate to match your GPU's output. It's compatible with both NVIDIA and AMD graphics cards, so no matter your setup, you're covered. But this monitor isn't just about performance, it's also about visual fidelity. With QD premium color calibration, colors are stunningly accurate right out of the box. It's factory calibrated with a delta E less than or equal to 2, ensuring professional-grade color precision that's perfect for content creators, video editors, and photographers who need true-to-life color reproduction. It also supports VESA DisplayHDR True Black 400, which brings out stunning highlights and deep shadow details in HDR content. Watching HDR movies or playing games with HDR enabled feels more lifelike, more dramatic, and more cinematic. One of the biggest concerns with OLED displays is the risk of burn-in or image retention. Thankfully, MSI has tackled this issue head-on with its OLED Care 2.0 system. This feature includes intelligent pixel shifting, screensavers, and automatic dimming to significantly reduce the chance of image sticking, ensuring your monitor remains flawless over time. In terms of ergonomics, the MSI MAG 273QP is highly adjustable. You can tilt it, raise or lower it, and even mount it with a standard VESA setup. Whether you're gaming in a dedicated battle station or working from a tight desk space, this monitor will fit seamlessly into your setup. It also includes built-in speakers, which are convenient for casual use or backup audio when your headset or external speakers aren't connected. While they aren't studio-grade, they're more than adequate for day-to-day tasks and quick gaming sessions. Visually, the monitor sports a sleek, black design with a glossy screen finish that gives it a premium look. While glossy panels can reflect light, they also tend to enhance contrast and color vibrancy, especially in dimly lit gaming environments. To sum it all up, the MSI MAG 273QP QD-OLED X24 is a powerhouse monitor built for serious gamers and creatives alike. Its third-gen QD-OLED panel, 240Hz refresh rate, 0.03 milliseconds response time, and HDR True Black support make it one of the most capable and future-proof monitors on the market right now. Add in thoughtful features like OLED Care, adaptive sync, and ergonomic design, and you have a display that doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them. If you're looking for a premium 1440p gaming monitor that delivers industry-leading performance and eye-popping visuals, the MSI MAG 273QP deserves a top spot on your shortlist.